Are you dreaming of a career that takes you to the skies or gets you right in the middle of the action at the airport? Whether you want to become part of the cabin crew or work as ground staff, the aviation industry offers incredible opportunities. But how do you get your foot in the door? In this video, I break down the steps to land your dream job in the airline industry. Airline jobs are among the most sought-after careers, offering not just a paycheck, but also the chance to see the world and be part of a dynamic industry. However, the competition is strong, so it helps if you have some understanding of the hiring process and what airlines and airports are looking for in new employees. Understanding the role. Cabin crew members are the face of the airline, responsible for passenger safety and comfort during flights. Ground staff, on the other hand, work behind the scenes at airports, handling everything from check-in and boarding to customer service and logistics. Knowing what each role entails is essential because the skills and qualifications needed for each are different. Cabin crew positions demand excellent communication skills, the ability to stay calm under pressure, and a genuine passion for customer service. Ground staff roles might require a strong understanding of airport operations and good organizational skills. Essential qualifications and skills. For cabin crew positions, airlines typically look for candidates with at least a high school diploma, though having a degree in hospitality or tourism can be a bonus. Fluency in English is a must, and knowing additional languages can give you a distinct advantage. Physical fitness is also important, as you'll be on your feet for long hours and you must meet certain height requirements. For ground staff, the educational requirements can vary. Some roles might require specialized training or certifications, particularly for positions related to aircraft operations or safety. However, most customer service roles require stronger communication skills, a friendly disposition, and the ability to handle stressful situations with ease. Crafting the perfect CV. Tailor your CV to the specific role you're applying for. Highlight any relevant experience, particularly in customer service, hospitality, or logistics. Include any language skills you have, as well as any certifications or training related to the aviation industry. For cabin crew, focus on demonstrating your interpersonal skills, adaptability, and teamwork abilities. If you have experience working in customer-facing roles, make sure to highlight this. For ground staff, emphasize your organizational skills, attention to detail, and your willingness to work shifts. Acing the interview. The interview is your chance to shine and show the airline why you're the perfect fit. For both cabin crew and ground staff roles, expect questions about your customer service experience, how you handle difficult situations, and your understanding of the role you're applying for. Be prepared to give examples from your past work experience that showcase your skills and strengths. Airlines are looking for people who are not only capable, but who also have a positive attitude and a genuine passion for working in the industry. For cabin crew interviews, you might also be asked to participate in role-play scenarios to demonstrate how you would handle specific situations on board a flight. Practice staying calm, courteous, and professional, no matter the situation. Preparing for the assessment day. For many airlines, the interview process includes an assessment day. This is where you'll undergo various tests, including group exercises, psychometric tests, and sometimes even physical assessments. Group exercises are designed to see how well you work with others, so it's important to be a team player. Don't dominate the conversation, but don't fade into the background either. The key is to contribute thoughtfully and support your teammates. For psychometric tests, these assess your personality and suitability for the role, so just be yourself. There's no right or wrong answer, but make sure your answers reflect the qualities airlines value, such as resilience, empathy, and a customer-focused mindset. Final tips. Before you send in your application, do your homework. Research the airline you're applying to, Understanding their brand, their customer service ethos, and their key markets can give you a significant advantage. Tailor your application to reflect their values and mission, and show them you're not just looking for any airline job, but that you want to work for them specifically. Networking is also key in the aviation industry. Attend job fairs, connect with current airline employees on LinkedIn, and don't be afraid to reach out to recruiters directly. Sometimes a recommendation from a current employee can make all the difference. And finally, don't be discouraged if you don't get the job on your first try.